So today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm gonna be trying out Kellie Sweet's method of doing her eyebrows. Disclaimer, I love her so much. Like, she's funny, she's popping, she slays. Like, people even say slays anymore. Like, because of her, slays will always be a thing. Anyways, I know I'm missing a nail. Don't comment on that, please. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so she started off using a dip brow. Ignore mine. Mine has eyeshadow in it somehow. But I'm gonna do what she did. And I'm sorry if I'm not that accurate. I just kind of watched it once. Well, not once. I watched it once recently. But she's always, from what I know, done her eyebrows like this. So we'll try it. Okay. She started from the top just like this.
Okay.
And honestly, guys, it looks crazy until you're completely done. So bear with me. You know, I think this is the best that I'll be able to get. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this up a lot. All right, next one. I'm gonna do the next one and I'm gonna be back. This is all a blur. I'm done with the brows. And now I'm going to conceal them. Like, extremely conceal them. Like she does. Okay. Moment of truth. Fudge. This is what happens when you got thick eyebrows. Okay, we're just gonna leave that like that, okay? You know, the extremely crazy funny part is I knew this one was gonna come out good. And usually that's the brow that always comes out terrible when I do it. Okay, this one is okay. This one is me. I don't like this. Like, everyone has a method that works for them, you know? This just doesn't work for me. God, Lord. By the way, guys, I'm thinking about doing a get ready with me on video for high school and college edition. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Like, even if I get one comment that somebody want to see it, I'll do it. Like, just anyone show me that you want to watch me, please. Whoa, girl, you tripping? Okay. Concealer. And conceal the middle. She did it with a beauty blender, but no. I will not waste my beauty blender. Cause I just have nothing. Okay. This is the outcome. It doesn't look bad. I can't do it. That's it. Like, it does not look bad. I just can't do it. You know? Alright. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by giving it a like, commenting, or just subscribing, which actually will really help me out in my journey of YouTube. Bye.